Today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to make this really fun mailbox. So the fun part with this mailbox, it's multi-depth, so that the mailbox part, you can actually put in these envelopes that I'm going to be showing you to make at the very end. So please stay tuned to the very end of the video. But also, if you want to be giving a gift, what a fun way to give a gift to someone. Instead of just giving them a plain gift card, you can put it in the mailbox. So under comments, I would love to know all the different ways you could think of to use this lovely mailbox. So let's get started. Happy folding. To make the cut and fold mailbox, it's going to have different levels to the depths of the pattern so that you'll be able to actually put mini envelopes inside the mailbox to make it a little bit more realistic. So to start, it's going to be like any other typical cut and fold. Go ahead and mark your pattern. So in my case, it's 3, 9, 4, 9, 10, 4. In this pattern, you'll be able to find a link to my Etsy store underneath in the description if you want to purchase this pattern. It's a really, really fun pattern. So then go ahead and keep marking. And you'll mark throughout the book, just like a cut and fold. So I'll just do one more page of marking. 3, 9, 4, 8, 10, 4, 15, 2. So after you've marked through the entire book, you're going to go ahead and do the cut and fold. The cutting. So typically in a cut and fold, you're going to go ahead and cut in 1 centimeter. And I'm going to do that for now. So go ahead and cut. Then you're going to go ahead and fold in your odd tabs. So here's tab 1. I usually, 1 centimeter typically is right around where the writing starts, so I use that as my guide instead of measuring exactly what 1 centimeter is, but it guarantees that it's going to be really nice and even. Now notice right now I'm doing everything at 1 centimeter. I will go back and then figure out exactly where the mailbox part is and go ahead and then cut that much, much further in. So go ahead and I'm folding in tab 1, tab 3, and tab 5. So this is the part I've done so far of the mailbox. So I can see now that the part that I'm going to have to increase the depth is right here. This is where the part where you're going to put your mail in. So for this part, once I'm finished, I will go back and increase how much I folded in just this tab right here. And for me, I want it to be really, really deep. So I'm going to cut pretty far in. And I'm going to do it, I've decided I'm going to fold it all the way as like a half fold right into the spine. But it'll only be this one tab that goes that far in. And you can decide. I want it to be really deep. So you can see it's going to, all my other tabs are 1 centimeter, and then this one is half the length of the book. So I'm going to go ahead and continue working on this. I will show you what it looks like, and then stay tuned because at the end I'm going to show you how to make the mini envelopes to make this a really fun project. I'm very excited. So happy folding. So this is the completed mailbox. What I want to show you is here, remember, is where the depth changes. So this is going to be 1 centimeter over here, and then this is half the book. So that's what the mailbox part looks like. But what is a mailbox without some mail? So I'm going to show you next how to go ahead and make these really, really easy and cute envelopes so that your mailbox has mail. So let's get started on that part. So to make the mail, you're going to go ahead and you're going to make a square out of an old piece of paper. Again, I'm using a page from an old book. You could use anything you'd like to do that with. So I'm going to go ahead and make the perfect square by making a triangle and then folding up that extra piece. And you can use scissors or tear it, whatever you want. So once you have your square, you're going to fold the triangle back like this. You're going to take the top of the triangle and bring it down. Then you're going to take the next half of the triangle and bring it down, leaving a gap right here. By the way, to make the perfect envelope, it's 11.5 centimeters square. And that'll fit perfectly into your mailbox, so 11.5 centimeters. So once you've done this, you're going to take the right corner and bring it a little bit over that halfway point. And then bring the left one over that one. Again, a little bit over that halfway point. And then you just go ahead and tuck one into the other. And there is your envelope. So right now it's sealed. If you go ahead and open it up, you can see you have an envelope. You could actually put a love note in there. You could put a little message for someone who you're receiving the mailbox. And if you want to go ahead and seal it. So I'm going to go ahead and add that into our mailbox. I was just thinking that this would make a really sweet Valentine's Day craft, or if you just want to give like some notes to someone, I think it'd be super sweet. Or maybe even a wedding proposal. You could like you could actually stick the ring inside one of the envelopes. So lots of fun ideas you can do with this craft. Enjoy.